West Virginia, U.S. declares emergency after flash floods kill at least 8 and leave widespread destruction.
Storm Wu-tip devastated Hainan, China last week, destroying 10,000 fruit trees, collapsing houses, and ruining farmers' crops.
Once-in-a-century floods in Guangdong province, China, submerge houses and trap residents.
Indonesia's Mount Liwatobi, Laki-Laki, erupts again, forcing dozens of flights to cancel.
The drought now hitting Syria's northern part is the worst in half a century.
Zero season, Syrian farmers face the worst drought in decades, wiping out rain-fed crops and raising risk of food shortages.
California, U.S. Animal shelters face an overcrowding emergency following recent wildfires, urging fosters and adopters to save nearly 90 pet people at risk of being euthanized.
Landslide on Kedarnath trek route, India, kills 2 and injures 3 as large boulders fell on a pilgrim group.
Powerful storm batters western Croatia, injuring 7 and causing widespread damages along the Adriatic coast.
Strong 6.1 magnitude earthquake strikes Japan's Ishikawa prefecture, reviving fears of a tsunami from a potential mega-earthquake.
Renowned French seer Nostradamus predicted that in 2025, fire would fall from the sky. From the cosmos, a fireball will rise, a harbinger of fate, the world pleads. Science and fate in a cosmic dance. The fate of the Earth, a second chance. Many believe this refers to a massive solar storm predicted for July 2025, when the sun will be at maximum activity in its 11-year solar cycle. Such an event could have major impacts on Earth's magnetic field and life on the surface, matching the prophecy's references to science dancing with fate.
US space agency NASA confirms a powerful solar flare on June 17th that disrupted radio networks, power grids, and navigation signals.
Things aren't just getting worse, they're getting worse faster.
Scientists issue a red alert for the climate as record heat, greenhouse gas emissions, and sea rise push Earth towards an energy imbalance crisis. No one knows how much longer the oceans will continue to absorb this excess heat, which could turn the Earth into an unlivable hellscape if people don't take positive action now.
The Swiss Alps mountains permafrost is melting rapidly from record warmth, threatening villages and mountain infrastructure, scientists warn.
Canada enacts new protections for orca people, limiting boats and fishing to help endangered whale people survive near British Columbia.
I don't know if we've ever seen before, is the animal sanctuary all virtual and all funded from donors from around the world.
Young volunteers at Alvia Sanctuary, Texas, US, save injured animal people using virtual Twitch live streams to gain publicity while educating 30 million viewers yearly on how to care for animal people.
House Bill 1046 helps ensure people can rescue animals or vulnerable people, including children, in overheating cars when law enforcement can't arrive quickly enough.
New law in Washington state, U.S. increases protection for rescuers who free trapped humans and pet people from hot cars.
Animal people welfare activists rally in Islamabad, Pakistan, urging humane treatment and protection for stray dog people. The protesters drew attention to dire conditions at the CDA Stray Dog Population Control Center, a controversial facility described as a death hole for dog people.
Vietnam forms a national center for vegetarian nutrition science to boost the adoption of vegan diets nationwide.
Study finds vegans are more in line with nutritional recommendations, meeting key nutrition targets better than meat eaters. Vegan diets also produce less than half the greenhouse gas emissions compared to omnivorous diets.
The UN's June climate meetings serve over 70% vegan and vegetarian meals to highlight the global food system shift that's needed to save our planet.
Over 100 groups endorse plant-based diets for climate action at the UN's pre-COP30 climate change conference in Bonn, Germany.
Cautionary quote of the day. It's not just whether the things you say are right, but whether they are the right things to say. A right thing said at the wrong time becomes poison. Truth spoken at the wrong time becomes falsehood. Lorenzo Sebastian, vegan.